In this video, we'll be doing the 20th question of LeetCode called valid parentheses. Okay, so this is going to be the fifth easy video I made. Okay, and the question states that given a string of S, called S, containing just the characters, well, parentheses, determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if 1. Open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets, or 2. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Okay, so we're going to look for 3 examples actually. Input 1. Okay, so S is going to equal to 1 pair, which is true because it opens and closes. This is also going to be true because these two match up, these two match up, and these two match up. We output true. This is going to be false because even though it has an open and close, they're actually the same type of parentheses. One is a square bracket while the other one is a normal bracket. Okay, so example 4. This is actually going to be wrong. It's because this is in the middle of these two parentheses, so they don't work. We return false. This is going to be true because both of these are inside this one bracket, curly brackets. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to check for doubles or pairs of these parentheses, and we're going to take them out. Okay, but the way we're going to do this is called stack. It means last in, first out. It's like doing dishes. So this is how we're going to create it. We'll call it stack because it's stack. So new stack character we're creating. Okay. Now we're going to do the for loop because we're going to keep checking and we know how long this is going to be. So for char c, okay, instead of int I equals 0, I'm actually going to do char c is because this is not an integer. So we're going to check is.to char array. So this is checking. It means from char c, you're going to keep moving and keep moving. It's kind of like the I++. And then we're going to have this and okay. Now we're going to have an if statement. We need to check if it is c equals to, because this is a character, we need to do single parenthesis, single marks, quotation marks, which is c. Wait, we already have this up. Okay. Wait, no, it's this one. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do all 3 of these open parentheses. Okay, but we can't have and or else because you're only checking one at a time, so it can't. And c equals to square. Okay, or c equals to. Okay, so now you just close. They just have to add the parentheses. Now we're going to do stack dot push of c, of course. That means we're pushing it. Well, it explains itself. Okay. Then we're going to do else if c equals to, because we want the opposites and we have to open it, but we don't have to close it yet. So we're going to do this. We always have to do and, of course, stack empty, checking if it's not. And it also has to be stack dot peak. We're just checking in the array or the stack equals, because we can't do the equal sign, we can only do dot equals. Okay, I'm going to have here, and then okay, or stack dot pop. We're gonna take it out, so it's called stack dot pop. And now, because we only have this type of parentheses, the curved ones, I'm actually gonna copy paste, enter it, and paste it 3 times. But this time, I'm actually gonna do this way. Okay, and I have those three. We can now check if it is or not. Else, we always have to do it else. Else, we can return false. Because if it's not, we just return false. And after we get out of this false, we can return our input, our answer, stack dot empty. This is going to return it. Oh, wait, there's a split typo here. And then I'm going to run the code. I already have this 5 cases. This is correct, so we can submit it. Okay, so its runtime is 1 millisecond, and it takes about 37 megabytes. Okay, so this is one of the fastest ways to do it, and this is called stack, which means last in, first out. Okay, so this is it for the video, and I hope you enjoy it, and please leave a like.